last 1 year you would have seen a lot of innovations happening. We launched new internet banking for retail customers and corporate customers. We have more than 2 lakh crores of debit cards. We have more than 18.70 lakhs of mobile banking customers. We have about 12.70 lakhs of internet banking customers, or 1.44 lakhs of corporate banking customers. And when we have a base of 6.3 crores, I think there are a lot of people who needs to be covered. And in Karnataka, we thought of launching these 3 cards in Karnataka, particularly in Bangalore, because it's our base, and every third citizen of Bangalore city banks with Canara Bank. And in Karnataka, we are number 1 bank. We have business of more than 1,10,000 crores. In fact, all the other banks are below us in terms of business. So, as all of you know, our motto is customer service, and in order to serve the customers across the spectrum, we decided that these 3 cards are required by our customers. That's why, in association with our partners, MasterCard, who've been with us for last 20 years, we decided to bring these 3 products. It took some time actually, to work out, to bring out these cards, and we are very happy that we are in a position to launch today. Here are the 3 variants of cards, what we launched. Some basic details I would like to give. That is Canara Credit Card World. It's a prestigious high-end credit card variant of MasterCard, laced with global concierge services, and they come out with periodical time-bound discount offers at premium purchase, service, environment outlets worldwide. And there is a need for us to introduce this premium card for catering to our premium customers. And this particular credit card is meant for high-income group with customized background image as per the choice of the card applicant. And some of the features are that each card comes with EMI chip and pin-based facility. Card valid for 3 years. Credit card limit ranges from 1 lakh to 25 lakhs. Withdrawal limit of 50,000. Revolving credit facility with optional service charges. Credit bill payment facility through NEFT and auto debit facility. Complimentary accident death insurance cover for self, spouse, baggage insurance, lost card liability, etc. Reward points. I think it comes with a lot of a host of facilities. Then we have Canara Business Debit Card. This is basically meant for SME segment. SME segment is one segment where we have grown very well during last 1 year. Year on year, December actually we have crossed. We have achieved a growth rate of 19.5%. And micro small enterprises segment we have grown at a rate of 25%. So I think this particular card actually caters to this particular SME customers. And the main feature of these cards are, like same thing, EMI chip card with pin based, but it's valid for 10 years. There's no entry or annual fee. Higher purchase limit up to 2 lakhs per day. This will take the need. This will cater to the needs of these MSE customers, and higher cash withdrawal limit of 50,000.